Welcome to the city of Chino. We're going to be checking out our second community here, man. This is really awesome. Give us some details about it.
Yeah, so this is going to be the Cedar Row collection, a little bit smaller than what we just saw. So they're going to have homes ranging from 1,500 square feet all the way up to this big boy behind us at 2,500 square feet. These are going to be about, I would say, the same price, low sixes into about the low 700,000 range. Beautiful homes. Let's go check them out.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it.
So as you walk in, you're gonna get this patio area here. Now HOA at build out, it's gonna be in the low 400s, $437. Your tax rate's gonna be about 1.9 or so. But before we go into the main house, this is actually gonna have a multi-gen. So I want you to check this out. You come in, you have your own thermostat here. It has a mini split, which is super, super cool, man. We have a nice setup here. This is gonna be set up more like a studio type of home. We have a sink here, fridge. Now, I would probably want to add something here or even on this side where it's an electric stovetop because they're all going electric anyways. So you might as well just add it here. And this can be a space where you can either rent out. Older parents that don't need to go up and down have their own space. Maybe that younger family that, hey, needs a little bit of help getting started, they're able to stay here, but it has everything they need.
Yeah, I would say the only downside of this one is you don't have the living room space. This is just kind of the bed space. If you need that, go watch our last video. You can see a little bit bigger of a multi-gen space, but you got your full restroom, walk-in closet. Is this gonna be laundry? No. Yeah, this is gonna be stackable laundry in there. And then again, walk-in closet right there. Coming out here to the main home, you're gonna have your garage, two-car garage access. This is gonna be the front door back here, and then let's head up to the main living area.
Pow!
Now, when we came up,
Pow! All right, go ahead. Yeah, I just wanted you to go ahead.
When we came up here, I was pleasantly surprised with this space. I did not think that this home was gonna be this spacious. But Robert, tell them a little about what we got.
Yeah, man, we got a full-on kitchen here, all the cabinet space. We got fridge, we got sink, countertops, we got island, stove with the microwave on top. Look at all the cabinets that we have here. And then it goes into this beautiful open space that we have here, just to show them that room right there.
This is a cool room. So they have it staged as an office, obviously. You can have as an office, a homework room for the kids. This can be like a playroom for the kids, or you can deck this out and make this like a beautiful walk-in pantry. You can do anything with this home. This is a really great space.
Yeah, and then on this side, we got a powder room. You're able to walk in. That's gonna be for your guests to use before you head upstairs.
Yeah, it is. And then on the other side of the living room, we're gonna have actually a really spacious balcony.
Before we get to the balcony though, man, look at this open space right here. I like how, yeah, it's one long space, but it's separated. We have our living room way over here, and the kitchen is way over there. All right, show them the balcony, man.
Let's do it.
There's a lot of construction going on.
Beautiful views. So obviously this is not gonna be your view when you move in here. This is what they got going on right now. But again, I mean, we got a full-size couch out here. We got a pretty big coffee table. We got another chair. Like, this is a great space just to kind of have dinner and hang out at night. Watch the sunset. This is cool.
Yeah.
Depending on the HOA, maybe even a little fire feature.
I like that.
Yeah, I like that
idea.
too. A little heater outside. I like that.
He likes
summer nights out here.
He likes it. So we're upstairs. This is where we're gonna have our bedrooms. Now walking into this primary bedroom, I like how wide it is right here. You got the space right here to be able to put stuff. Show them the primary bathroom there. All right, so this is gonna be the primary bedroom space. Look how open that opening is right there.
I really like that. You have the door obviously right behind you, Reyes. You got some cabinet space. That can be kind of your drop area, wallet, keys, all that stuff.
I need one of those.
Yep, and then tons of natural lighting in here. I like these windows right beside the bed. You got a good window right here, and you got space for multiple night tables. This is a good space. It looks like Robert's comfortable, and you can be too.
Yeah, this is great. I hope they don't have any cameras in here. But Jack, paint me.
Oh my.
No? No Titanic?
Full length mirror right here. This is a perfect feature.
No, it's not gonna come with this mirror.
No, but it's just, you can do one, and I would recommend doing one here. This is the perfect space for a mirror. Now, on to the rest of the home. We're gonna have 2 bedrooms, a laundry room. That's actually a really big laundry room. Probably one of the biggest laundry rooms, and a restroom. So, wow, this looks like space.
Yeah, you're in space and it has plenty of space, right? Now we got, what is
Robert,
this?
you're floating away.
Got a basketball in here. There's plenty of space. And then right when you walk in, what I like about the room is that it's wide. Like you walk in, you got a wide little space there. This is gonna be great. Show them the next one, yeah?
So the next one is gonna have kind of a unique little touch to it. Before we get in there, we're gonna have a restroom, double vanity, and then separate door for your shower and your toilet. We're gonna have a linen closet right here. But we got like, this is like a reader. A reader lives here. Somebody who's a little bookworm, reading Harry Potter. This is a little bookworm's room. You got little features over here. But anyway, you're gonna have closet, window spaces, a lot of natural lighting coming in. This is a good sized bedroom. A little smaller than the last one it looks like, but still great size. And then again, like I said, we're gonna have a very big laundry room here with a ton of shelving, ton of space to store stuff.
Wow, this is big. Let's see how big this is. Guys, wait, let's do it again this way. Yeah, this is huge.
Yeah, this is big.
Yeah,
you got some tons of just space. You can put cabinets on here. And I like this little linen closet pocket corner. That's it, guys. That's the home. What do you think? Tell me if you like it.
All right, should we go to the next one?
Let's do it. So this
check 'em out.
was the biggest one? Yeah, this was the biggest. This is the 3rd level. Let's do the next one.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Welcome to this next floor plan, guys. This one's gonna be really cool as well. Justin, what are the details on this one?
So right at 1540 square feet, this is gonna be 2 to 3 bedrooms. You got a loft optional, a couple restrooms. Kitchen is gonna be on the 1st level on this one, which is really nice. Let's go inside.
Yep, let's take a look, guys.
This is gonna be low 600,000s right now.
So this one right here is going to be really nice because where most of the other floor plans that we saw first, it was like stairs right away and then you go up to the next level and that's where things open up. On this main level, you have the living room, you have the kitchen, you even have like another kind of little dining room area as well. So Justin, what do you think about this layout?
I like it, man. So this one's gonna be a 2-story layout. It's not a tri-level on this one, just 2 levels. So that's why they have everything on the bottom level. But you're gonna have walk in from the garage right there. A good size island. You can fit 4 bar stools here for sure. You got a ton of cabinet space. Ooh, I like that little corner pantry. It's actually a good use of space. You got a sink in the island here. Little nook for your table over here. Good size living area. Like this checks all the boxes.
Yep. Yeah, and as we're walking through this house, some of the features that are really just gonna make a difference in how the home feels is this open railing right here. You do have the higher ceilings. When you first walk in through that main door, that is higher than what the standard door is. You can kind of see the difference between that one and the other one right there.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are just some little features that you want to be mindful of when you're out shopping for a new construction home, because these little adjustments that make a huge difference in how the home's gonna feel.
Let's go look upstairs. But for a 1,500 square foot home, this is a really good spacious single level. I would have not expected this. I would have expected it to be a little tighter.
Yeah, actually, this is actually, I like this layout a little bit more than even some of the bigger ones.
So coming upstairs, we're gonna have a little landing right here with some cabinet space. We've got a cool little loft. I like this section a lot. Reyes, what would you do with it?
Yeah, you know, I think that they have this set up perfectly right here. I'm not sure if I would set this up as an office if, let's say, I had kids or like a family, just because I feel like it would be a little bit busy right here. What I would probably set this up as is probably put a couch, put a couple of sofas, put a TV right there, and this would be kind of like a hangout area where me and my friends or maybe me and my family would be coming up here, watching some football, and just kind of chilling.
And if you wanted to, I'm sure you could even make this space into a bedroom as well. So this is where you probably get that 3rd bedroom if you wanted. Now, we walk in here into the master. This is a really good size. You know, we got a couple night tables. We got space for a dresser. Like, it's spacious. It's good. Check out that restroom. That's actually really nice.
This is a really nice restroom. I like the tile that they chose to use inside the actual shower. Again, you got the double sinks right here. a really good sized closet in there as well. Rob, if you want to go ahead and give them a look.
I like that a lot. Now, let's go check out the secondary bedroom. Again, closet space is good here. So closet, couple linen closets. It's gonna be very good use of space. We're gonna have the restroom right here for this bedroom.
That's good.
I like this little nook desk area. Good sized bedroom.
All right, so Justin, who is this the perfect home for?
This is a perfect home for either somebody who's, maybe you're single, maybe you just married, you and your spouse, maybe one child. I think this is perfect for a young family, a small family. You got mom and dad's room over there, son over here, daughter over here, maybe even just no kids. This is great. This can be an office if somebody works from home. This is a perfect home. Like young couple, dinks. This is great.
What's a dink?
Double income, no kids. Because you need 2 incomes to afford this.
Okay. So I agree with Justin. I think this is a perfect starter home for somebody who wants to be in a great location. For somebody who wants to be in a great location and at the same time still have the space and not feel so cluttered like if you were just in an apartment.
Let's go check out the last one.
All right, guys, so we're gonna be checking out our last model here. This is gonna be Plan 4. It's gonna be this is great space here, man. A little more details about this one.
Yeah, so this one is gonna be 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's gonna be just under 1,600 square feet. And again, because it's 2 stories, you are gonna have most of the living space on that first level. And then we'll go ahead and show you guys the upstairs.
All right, let's go check it out. It smells good in here.
Yeah, it does smell really good. It smells fresh.
So you walk in and you have this. This is what you can. This is what a traditional home feels like, right? There's a traditional condo right here. We have a small island. We have the full kitchen, electric appliances all around. There's no more gas coming around. So we got electric appliances and just great space from here to the living room.
Yeah, this has a really good feeling to it once you come into the house. Now, I do like how the cabinets go all the way to the top. That is an upgrade. I always thought it looked really cool. However, for someone like me who's not like 7 foot, I don't know how I would ever get access to those things.
You wouldn't.
I wouldn't. I'll have to get one of those little claws. But yeah, this is a really good space. I like it, just like a nice, perfect rectangle. Rob, what else you think?
Yeah, man, I like it. We got a powder room right here if you want to show them that real quick. So this is those type of homes like, hey man, I can afford something in 600,000 range. I'm okay with an HOA. I'm okay with a higher tax rate. I just want to be in that location. And that's what you're going to get here exactly. You can find a single family home in this area for maybe high 9s, low millions. So it's just exchanging the space as far as like yard space for something like this, and I think it's really cool.
Exactly. And real quick, here's a perfect example of one of our clients who did something very similar. They actually bought in the preserve maybe about 10 years ago. They started off with a condo. A couple years later, they sold that. They moved into like a detached home or detached single family residence, but still felt more like a townhome. And then earlier this year, we helped them sell that home, use the equity, and got into a beautiful 3,000 square foot house in the city of Eastville. So they stood local, they upgrade every time, but it all started by getting into one of the properties like this.
Yeah, that's great info. You got to play the game before you get into that dream home. So let's take them right to the primary.
Wow.
So you walk in, you got your primary right here. This one's not gonna have a loft, but I like how this primary is a lot more spacious.
Wow.
In my opinion.
Yeah, this thing feels huge. You have a little indent right there where it goes a little bit deeper. And again, this feels really, really big.
Yeah, it's a lot of good space. You have the primary bathroom right behind you if you want to show them that real quick, Reyes.
Mm-hmm. Come take a look, Justin.
All right, so we have 2 more bedrooms over here. We have the restroom where Reyes is walking in now. So that's gonna be the shared bathroom there, full bath. This is what Reyes' rooms look like when he grew up. Or Justin, that's Justin's room.
This is what Justin's room looks like.
Yeah, right
Today.
now. then we have Mr. Dino right here. But this is gonna be also, you know, a pretty decent space. This is pretty standard when you're looking at somebody's bedroom. So this is gonna be it right here, guys. We got a little bit under 1,600 square feet. It's plenty of space for, again, a young family, somebody that just wants to be all about location. So if you guys are looking to make the move to Chino, how can they get in contact with us, man?
Yeah, so the easiest way is to reach out to us on Instagram, shoot us a DM. We're always in there. We can have a quick conversation, or you can go ahead and click one of the links down below, hop on a quick 10-15 minute call with us. We'll put together a game plan and make sure that you guys can get the home that's right for you.
SoCal Cedeno, out.